Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DynamoDB Streams to Kinesis for near real-time sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect DynamoDB Streams to Kinesis for near real-time sync, start by ensuring you have AWS credentials configured. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service. Select the table you want to enable streams for. In the table settings, click on the Exports and Streams tab. Enable DynamoDB Streams and select the stream view type that suits your needs. Save the changes to activate the stream. After enabling streams, navigate to the Kinesis service in your AWS console. Create a new Kinesis data stream. Choose a name and specify the number of shards based on your expected throughput. Once the Kinesis data stream is created, open the AWS Lambda service. Create a new Lambda function to process the data from the DynamoDB stream. Select the runtime environment that matches your programming language preference. In the function settings, choose the DynamoDB stream as the trigger. Specify the DynamoDB stream you enabled earlier. Set the batch size according to how many records you want to process at once. Configure the Lambda function's permissions, allowing it to read from the DynamoDB stream and write to Kinesis. In your Lambda function code, implement the logic to read data from the DynamoDB stream. Format the records to match the requirements of the Kinesis data stream. Use the AWS SDK to push the formatted records into the Kinesis data stream. Deploy the Lambda function once your code implementation is complete. Test the setup by adding, updating, or deleting items in your DynamoDB table. Monitor the Lambda function and Kinesis data stream for successful data transfer. Check the Kinesis data stream to confirm the data is being received as expected. With these steps completed, you now have a robust setup for near real-time data synchronization from DynamoDB to Kinesis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.